Upgrading the sound system in your Saturn Ion should be simple, safe, and stress-free. And this aftermarket stereo wiring harness is designed to make that happen. From the first connection, it delivers a clean and professional installation by plugging directly into the factory stereo harness with no cutting, splicing, or guesswork required. If you want to protect your vehicle's original wiring while enjoying a modern aftermarket head unit, this harness is an essential upgrade. Built specifically for 2006 and newer Saturn Ion models without factory amplified systems, this wiring harness provides direct power and 4-speaker connections using factory-quality wire and connectors. Every wire follows EIA industry standard color codes, making installation straightforward even for first-time DIY installers. Clear color matching reduces errors, saves time, and helps ensure your new stereo performs exactly as it should. Durability is a key advantage of this harness. Manufactured to high standards and backed by decades of experience in car audio installation accessories, it is designed to handle daily driving conditions with confidence. Many users appreciate the solid construction and reliable performance that keeps their stereo working consistently, even in extreme situations. This is the type of component you install once and trust for years. Another major benefit is peace of mind. With lifetime technical support available, help is always within reach if questions come up during installation. A limited lifetime warranty further reflects the confidence behind the product's quality and long-term reliability. Whether you are refreshing your factory system or building a custom audio setup, this harness helps you achieve professional results without hassle. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and purchase this stereo wiring harness today. Subscribe to the channel for more car audio installation tips, product reviews, and smart upgrades that make every drive more enjoyable.